Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzinwithvee. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is some Happy Mail and some winnings that I won from a channel, and we'll get into that soon. But first, I want to open this. Well, I already opened it, but I just have to take everything out. But this is from Virginia Mendoza, and if you guys don't remember, she is the winner of the giveaway that that was hosted by Janae. Janae had a collaboration, and she was my winner for that. It was a loaded bag, and I think it was just a loaded bag. Yeah, it was a loaded bag. And so I received Happy Mail for her. So let's go ahead and get in. Excuse my hands. I've been working with some inks. So, and stays on as well. So let's see what's in here. Oh, she did not send Snow and Cocoa. How did you know? So I finally was able to go to my P.O Box, you guys. Okay, let's see. Here's a card. Let's see what's in this card. And she made this card from the Sunny Days collection by Maggie Holmes. And excuse my hands, they're awful. It says, "You are fantastic." And then it says here, "Hi V, I won your last giveaway. Just wanted to say thank you and love everything. I hope you can use these items. Happy crafting, Virginia Mendoza. Love to create." So you guys, I think that's her channel, Love to Create, or her Instagram. And yes, definitely can be using these. Yeah, thank you so much for these, because these are so hard to find right now. And I do not have a Tuesday morning. So thank you so much, Virginia. And you guys, please visit her channel. I'm going to try to find it. And if I find it, I will link it below. So next is a winnings from Pia's channel, and I was seriously so surprised when I won this. So this is it right here. So let me take that out. Loaded little purse, and I haven't even made this purse. I've been wanting to make this. Okay, I'm gonna sit here. So look at this cute, adorable purse made out of acetate. Look how cute it is. Super adorable. Thank you so much, Pia, girl boss. And let's dig into it, you guys. Let's see what she has in here. And it looks like a tag. Yes, it's a plain tag, so I can embellish myself. And I love little miniature tags. I think they're so adorable. And so definitely we'll be using these. And then a plain rosette. And oh, I haven't had a chance to use these. These are for bottle caps, right? And what I've been using for my bottle cap charms is the glossy accents. This right here, I've been using this. So I can't wait to use that. And so another rosette right here. A miniature bow. Let's see, and some die cuts in here, super cute die cuts. Oh, I love that. The air balloon, and ooh, some balloons too. She gifted me those. Well, they're winning, so there's that. And then these are, looks like cards maybe. I completely forgot what I won. So yeah, these are blank cards that I could utilize and decorate. And I love the envelope. Envelope's really thick, nice and sturdy envelope. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is a card, and it says, "Behold, be brave, be you." Blank card. Thank you so much, P. I appreciate this. I can't believe I won. I was definitely surprised. Okay, let's see what else. A bag topper. And some, ooh, these are elastics. Very useful. And an envelope. Let's see what's in here. Let's dig all this out. Got some more die cuts. Here's some journaling cards. These are neat to put into traveler notebooks. I like this right here. Nice journaling cards. And a very shiny, shimmery envelope that she decorated. I love it. Thank you. Super exciting. Ooh, what's in there? Cracker Jacks. Just kidding. Okay. Circle punches. A bunch of sayings. These are really cute. Pia, and look at the front of this. Super cute. Look what she put right there. Little shaker. This is so miniature and tiny. And then, oh, look at this little purse. How adorable is this? I wonder if there's anything in there. Look how cute that is. This is really cute. Little tiny purse. Thank you. And then the Amazon card, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this was a $10 Amazon card winnings, I believe. So thank you so much. And some more bows and some more circle dies or cutouts. Thank you so much, Pia. This was super fun, and I appreciate your generosity with your giveaway and giving us the opportunity to enter. And I thank you so much. I will link her below, you guys. So if you guys want to go check her out, I had a chance to speak with her a few times on Instagram, and she's a really nice person and very fun, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy her, so I will link her below. Next, I got is a card from Cornflower Crafts, you guys. If you guys don't know who Cornflower Crafts, please go check her out. Super adorable, nice, and very generous person. I love her to death. She's so, her channel before COVID used to have like a bird and very interactive with her subbies, and her husband's there too, and her daughter and her fur grandbabies. So look at this. I love this already. Bees. She loves bees as well. And look how she made this. Yeah, and I love it. I love these bees. I love this clip right here. Beautiful bee. Look how cute it is. I love that clip. And what is this? Oh, no way. No way. You guys, look at this. Oh my God. I gotta put this on here so you guys could see these charms. How cute are these charms, you guys? Look at that. Oh my God, I can't get over these. Look how beautiful. I'm not using them at all. I gotta make some jewelry out of that. I love that. Thank you so much, Corn, for that. And how you decorated it. Bee themed. I love it. And then her card says hello. Look how cute it is. She has some flowers, and these are sticking out, the flowers, and then it has a die cut, and then she colored some of the vines and put some I guess some pearl, the pearl stuff. What is it called again? I'm still new to paper crafting. She put, "Dear V, you and I love our bees." Exactly, we do love our bees. And she puts, "and handsome," that's her husband, "thinking of you and wishing you a day filled with bees." Yes, hugs and kisses, Corn. I love that. Yes, definitely a day filled with bees. I love it so much. We have wasps, and I wish we had bees, but my yard is always filled with wasps. They like to build little nests on our house. So, because we live at the edge of the city, and so it's country right after our neighborhood, and so the wasps love to be in our neighborhood. So the next one is Jay. If you guys don't know Jay, I will link her below. I appreciate you so much for sending me something. I have no idea what's in here, so let's go ahead and get in here. Oh, already she puts bee honey with bees and butterflies, and then I see some napkins which have some butterflies, and then this one right here which is a Valentine's one, and this is very pretty. And it smells delicious in here. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is a little Easter box, and let's see what's in here. She altered this box, and I love to alter things too. And let's see, she did an amazing job. I love it so much. And she added just some like just ephemera pieces that she made. So here's a strawberry, here are some bows, and some flowers, and some butterflies in this little box. Such a great idea to put little ephemera pieces in here. Thank you so much. Then let's see here, what is in here? Oh, this must have fell out, so it must have been in here. And let's see what this is. Look at this little cute little washi tape envelope. And let's see, excuse my nails, you guys. I've been working with some paints, with some inks actually. A bracelet. Did you make this? This is very pretty. Look how pretty that is. Just pink. Super pretty, and against my skin tone, that's gonna make my skin tone look very toned. I love it. It's gonna bring out the bronze in me. Okay, and next I see is some chapstick from Avon. Thank you so much. And let's see what's in here. We have some flowers, and these, I like how she did that. She did it like a 3D fold, and they're cute little flowers. I love the colors. And let's see here. And a bag topper. Look at this bag topper. She has some ephemera pieces on it and some stickers, and it's a doily and it folds over. I love doing doilies that fold like this. Very pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. And then this one, let's see here. It says Buzzinwithvee, and she's hidden it under some crinkle, and let's see what's in here. Oh, look it. It's an interactive card. Look how cute that is. Super cute. I like that. Very pretty. It folds over like that, and it's just a little sewing kit. I like that. Look how cute that is. Super adorable. Thank you so much, Jay. That is very creative. I love that. Thank you so much for that. And something else is in here. Let's see what's in here. A bag topper. Oh, this one has a bee, and it has a bunny. It says Cuddles. And again, it's a doily, and it's like a bee shaped. I love the little bee. It's so cute. I love it. Thank you. And then we have a rosette. And it says cute as a cupcake, and it has a heart and some flowers, and it's on top of like a circle. Super cute and adorable with all the layering. I love it. And then let's put that over there. And then this is the envelope for the card. Very creative. Thank you so much, Jay. I love it. I love everything you sent. And there's more, you guys. Let's see what's in here. I'm trying to find the card. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Ooh, what is this? This is so cute. Look at that, you guys. This is pretty. It says to V with love, Jay, hugs and kisses. And look at that. Did you make this, Jay? This is very pretty, very creative. I love how you did that. Did you do this with napkins? This is very pretty. It's just like a house. That is nice. I like this. Very creative. Little birdhouse. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Can you see? I'm like, can you see? This is so cute. That is so pretty. And then she sent a card. Oh, let's see what it says. Hey, it is a card, and it has a cute little raccoon and some flowers and then a bow. And on the back she has a note, and she sent me some pure, I think this is shaga. Is that how you pronounce it? And then she has directions on how to use it. Thank you so much, Jay. I appreciate that. And hopefully that'll be used by her. Because sometimes if she doesn't like something, she will not take it. So hopefully she will use it. And hopefully it'll do her some good. So that was for my mother, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much, Jane. Make sure I didn't miss anything else, and I didn't. Thank you so much, Jane, for everything. I appreciate this from the bottom of my heart, and I love everything you made me. And also the other ladies, I love everything you made me as well. And I just want to make some room to bring everyone over. And here we have Virginia, Jay, and Corn, and Pia. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, man, I cannot believe you guys sent me something, and I can't believe I won. I was super surprised. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.